I'm Andrew, your guest cook. Today we're going to be smoking some chicken breast. Thanks for joining us. Here's the ingredients of the rub, featuring brown sugar and paprika. Check out the recipe in the description box. Here's the chicken breast. I'm going to cut it up into little tenderloins so I can get more of the seasoning on and more of the smoke. These are looking just fine. Now I'm going to head in the back and check the barbecue smoker. Here's my setup. Got my offset old-fashioned smoker. Got my charcoal. Got this awesome hickory wood. Normally I use the apple for chicken, but today with that brown sugar on the rub, I'm going to be using hickory. Trying to get that great smoky flavor with the sweet chicken rub. So we're going to wait a minute. And hopefully we're going to be at 225 inside that smoker, and then I'll add the meat and then add the wood so we can get that smoke coming. Alright, it's almost 225, which is fine. Once I put the wood on, it should heat up pretty quick. So let's put this awesome chicken on. Got that sweet heat going. I also, if you can see inside the barbecue, I added a pan of water. Sometimes the chicken breasts get a little dry, so I put a pan directly above here, or directly under there, where it'll add some moisture. I did leave some other room. I am going to smoke some more meat too because it's so fun and I don't do it too often. So we'll close this up, capture the heat, and let her go. Me personally, I like the challenge of the traditional offset smoker. I'm not against the Traeger, it's just not my style. This recipe can obviously be used for that. Obviously, we're using the critical ingredients are the rub and the wood and the time and the temperature. So whether you're using the old-fashioned like me or your fancy plug-in Traeger, doesn't really matter. And now let's kick back and let the smoke do the work. Well, the smoking's been going great. This hickory wood has a great flavor. I'm really enjoying it. And a little bit ago I put my thermometer in, and this is a wired thermometer, so I can leave it closed and still check the temperature. And I'm shooting for 165, so I've got a little bit longer to go. But this chicken is going to be amazing. Can't wait to try it. And thanks for joining us again. Well, the chicken came off the grill. I've got some ready to slice here, and we're ready to try this. I was really pleased with how this turned out. The sweet and spicy rub paired perfectly with the hickory, and the water pan kept it moist and tender. Ready to try it?
Yeah. That's good.
Couple notes. It was a little spicy, so if you don't want that, I'd cut the paprika in half. And sometimes it's hard to get an accurate reading with the thermometer on the chicken breasts, so I tested the firmness to make sure they were done.